Alright guys, it's the new project. E92. So 2009, I want to say. 335i coupe. Ricer exhaust. Nice interior in here. Pretty decent. Inside. When we get to the outside. And plenty of clear coat failure all around. Cars. I don't even really know what to say cosmetically. This is the one dent that I've found on the car. It seems pretty straight, but clear coat, just where the paint's horrible on here. It's really bad. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's all scratched up. The outside is horrible. The motor itself, if I'm being honest, is not great. Everything in here is very, very dirty. And I don't know. Not a lot of mods done to it, a lot of BS done. Previous owner was not a caring person to this car. It does have CTS charge pipe, blow off valve, block off. If you guys peeped on 3 performance power steering reservoir. The car is single turbo. On 3 V-band. The kit is 55 mil turbo. Teeny tiny thing. Literally like the size of my hand. But yeah, this is the new project. Cleaning right now, honestly, is the name of the game. This thing is super dirty. Everything in here is just caked. See if I can get a better view for you guys. Everything down there is just caked in a woe. This motor mount here is done. You can see all on the block. I mean, this thing is just horribly nasty. Does have a new water pump. So, lots of cleaning. Index 12s. That's about it really on mods. It has an intercooler on it. 5.5 inch stepped. So yeah, let me know what you guys think I should do to this thing. Definitely, I guess I'll run this little baby turbo for a while. I'd like to upgrade to like a Garrett. I don't know, maybe like a 3584, something like that. So yeah, here she is though. And you can also see this monstrosity of a hole they cut into this thing. Previous owner just, I'm not really sure what was going on there. We do have wrap for this. Guess I won't hold back on you guys. I'll let you go ahead and see. Yeah, spare E94. But this is the wrap. It's matte black. So that's probably what will end up on this car. I haven't decided whether I want to wrap it or paint it. Because it's so bad, I feel like the prep work that I'm going to have to put into this, I might as well just paint it instead of wrapping it, because the paint's not good at all. It does need a new hood, clearly. This fender, I might just plastic weld things like that. I'm not really sure. This fender's kind of fucked. You guys can see that. I don't really know what they had going on there. The door is also kind of fucked right there. So I'll probably get a new door. Other than that, the car needs just a lot of love. Just straight up love. The car is dirty as shit. I picked this car up for $4 grand, $500 brought to me, so $4,500 in total to bring me this car. Single turbo. I took one look at it. You can see shit like this and that, melted valve cover. I took one look at this car and it's not gonna leave this garage for at least a week. I'm just not a fan of dealing with cars I can't trust. The belt on this thing, I don't even think you guys are gonna be able to see it here. Let me see if I can get a light on this. Like, these are the reasons why I have trust issues. You guys see that belt right there? It's like all frayed up, about to come apart right here. I mean, it's pretty bad. So, and then like, we all know those BMW cooling problems. I highly doubt this even held whatever the fuck the initial problem was. So yeah, we're gonna clean this thing up. I'm gonna probably pull the motor out of this. I'm already like halfway there. Probably gonna pull the motor out, go through everything, reorganize everything. I mean, they've burned the stuff for the, I'm not sure if this is for the headlight washers or what the hell that's for. That could be for the, yeah, that's for the AC. Wow, actually, that is for the AC. You see that down there? Focus. Yeah. So, this car needs a lot to go over. And if you guys did notice, it is an auto tragic. So, we'll see how long this thing lives for. I don't know if this thing is going to get an 8-speed. My other E92. Or what the hell. I mean, this is just crazy. But, we'll see. I'll definitely keep you guys updated. I'm going to be posting probably at least every other day on this car as I get it semi-cleaned up. When I pull the motor, for sure, definitely do a video on that. But other than that, this is what she is, unfortunately enough. So yeah, keep you guys posted.